Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class separately. So please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 3, Chapter 11, Meera Behan aur Bhag. Meera, sister, and Bhag means tiger. So Meera Behan means Behan, it's just given for a respected, to give some respect to Meera. मीरा बहन का जन्म इंग्लैंड में हुआ था. मीरा बहन वॉज बॉर्न इन इंग्लैंड. गांधी जी के विचारों का उन पर इतना असर हुआ कि वे अपना घर और अपने माता पिता को छोड़कर भारत आ गई. So Gandhiji's thoughts had such an impact on her that she left her home and her parents and came to India. Asar hua means impact. It impacted her and it made a real difference in her life. और गांधी जी के साथ काम करने लगी and she started working with गांधी जी. आज़ादी के 5 साल बाद, आज़ादी मीन्स इंडिपेंडेंस, के 5 साल बाद उन्होंने उत्तर प्रदेश के एक पहाड़ी गांव गेमवली में गोपाल आश्रम की स्थापना की. सो 5 years आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस शी फाउंडेड द गोपाल आश्रम इन गेमवली. इट वॉज सिचुएटेड इन अ विलेज ऑन अ हिल एरिया इन उत्तर प्रदेश. उस आश्रम में मीरा बहन का बहुत सारा समय पालतू पशुओं, पालतू मीन्स पेट्स, पालतू पशुओं की देखभाल में बीतता था. सो शी found a village, found an ashram there, and there Meera used to spend a lot of time in the ashram taking care of the pet animals. लेकिन गेमली गांव के आसपास के जंगलों में भाग जैसे खतरनाक जानवर भी रहते थे. But there were also dangerous animals like tigers in the nearby forest of Gamely village. खतरनाक means dangerous. आसपास means nearby. पहाड़ी गांवों में अक्सर बाघ का डर बना रहता था. In mountain regions and mountain areas there will be often a fear of tiger. जंगल कटने के कारण शिकार की तलाश में बाघ कभी कभी गांव तक पहुंच जाता. ड्यू टू द फॉरेस्ट कटिंग द टाइगर समटाइम्स वुड रीच द विलेज इन सर्च ऑफ देयर प्रे और इन सर्च ऑफ फूड. गेमली गांव में एक बार यही हुआ. द सेम हैपेंड वंस इन गेमली विलेज. एक बाघ ने गांव में घुसकर एक गाय को मार डाला. अ टाइगर एंटर्ड द विलेज एंड किल्ड अ काउ. घुसकर मीन्स एंटर्ड. सुबह होते ही यह खबर पूरे गांव में फैल गई. बिफोर डॉन और बिफोर मॉर्निंग द न्यूज स्प्रेडेड थ्रू आउट द विलेज. गांव के लोग डरे कि यह बाघ कहीं फिर से आकर दूसरे पालतू जानवरों और किसी आदमी को ही अपना शिकार न बना ले. सो एवरीबडी गॉट वेरी स्कैर्ड. The people of the village were very afraid that this tiger will come back again, and now this time the tiger might take over their pets, or even it can consider, or it can take a man as its prey. गांव के लोग गोपाल आश्रम गए और उन लोगों ने मीरा बहन को अपनी चिंता बताई. So the village people or the people of the village went to the Gopal ashram and they expressed their concern to मीरा बहन. गांव के लोगों ने अंत में तय किया कि बाघ को कैद कर लिया जाए. So the villagers finally decided that we have to capture the tiger so that it won't hurt anyone. उसे कैद करने के लिए उन्होंने एक पिंजरा बनाया. So what they did, they made a cage in order to capture the tiger. पिंजरे के अंदर एक बकरी बांधी. So a goat was tied inside the cage as a bait. योजना यह थी कि बकरी का मिमियाना सुनकर बाघ पिंजड़े की तरफ आएगा. So the plan was that the tiger would come to the cage after hearing the goat sound. Mimiana means that meh sound. पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा इस प्रकार खुला हुआ बनाया गया था कि बाघ के अंदर घुसते ही वह दरवाज़ा झटके से बंद हो जाए. So this cage was little different. It was the door of the cage was designed in such a way that the door will close with a jerk as soon as the tiger enters. शाम होने तक पिंजरे को ऐसी जगह पर रख दिया गया जहां बाघ अक्सर दिखाई देता है. So by evening the cage was kept in a place where the tiger was often seen. अक्सर means often. यह जगह मीरा बहन के गोपाल आश्रम से ज़्यादा दूर नहीं थी. So this place where they decided to keep the cage, it was not that far from मीरा बहन's गोपाल आश्रम. रात बीती. The night got over. सुबह की रोशनी होते ही लोग पिंजरा देखने निकल पड़े. As soon as the light came up or the morning started, every people or all the people started coming to see the cage. उन्होंने दूर से देखा कि पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा बंद है. So they saw from a distance itself that the door of the cage was closed. So they thought, okay, we have caught the tiger. वह यह सोचकर बहुत खुश हुए कि बाघ ज़रूर पिंजरे में फंस गया होगा. So they were very happy thinking that the tiger must have been trapped in the cage. लेकिन जब वे पिंजरे के पास पहुँचे तो क्या देखते हैं? But when they reached the cage, what they saw? पिंजरे में बाघ नहीं था. There was no tiger in the cage. लोग चकित थे. People were shocked. बाघ के अंदर गए बिना पिंजरा बंद कैसे हो गया? So they got surprised. How did the cage close without the tiger going inside? लोग मीरा बहन के पास पहुँचे. People reached मीरा बहन. They went to her. लोगों ने सोचा कि गोपाल आश्रम पास में ही था. So they thought that people thought that गोपाल आश्रम was nearby. इसलिए शायद मीरा बहन को मालूम हो कि रात में क्या हुआ. So there is a chance that मीरा बहन may know what happened in the night. पूछने पर मीरा बहन बोली. When asked about it, मीरा बहन replied, देखो भाई, मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी. Look brothers, I was not able to sleep. मैं सोचती रही कि आखिर भाग को धोखा देकर हम क्यों फंसाए. So she couldn't sleep because she kept thinking why we should trap the tiger after all. इसलिए मैं गई और पिंजरे का दरवाज़ा बंद कर आई. So I went in and closed the cage door. So that's it. So what happened? One day. What happened? Meera Bahan was born in England, and because of Gandhiji's thoughts and Gandhiji's way, it impacted her in a great way, and she left her home, parents, and came to India and started working with Gandhiji. And after 5 years of independence, she founded a ashram named Gopal in Gamli village, which was in Uttar Pradesh. So she used to spend a lot of time in ashram looking after the pet animals, but there were also dangerous animals like tigers in the nearby forest. And one day, what happened in Gamli village, a tiger entered the village and killed a cow. So all the villagers got very scared and they started panicking, and they thought that maybe one day this tiger will come back and it will take other pets, or even it can take any of them as a prey. So everyone went to the Gopal ashram seeking help from Meera Bahan. They told her their concern. So what happened? Finally, the villagers decided to capture the tiger so that they'll be safe. So they created a cage, or they made a cage, and they kept a goat inside it as a bait. Then the cage was designed in such a way that as soon as the tiger will enter the cage, the door will close itself. So everybody set it in on a place where the tiger was often seen. So they placed it there, and they all of them went to their homes. When the night got over and the next day when everyone came there, they saw that the cage door of the cage was already closed, but there was no tiger inside. So what happened? They went to Mirabai, and they asked her what happened, because the place where they kept the cage, it was nearby to her ashram. So they thought, okay, she's nearby only, so maybe she will know what happened at the night. So when the villagers asked her what Meera Bahan said, she said that I was not at all feeling like sleepy, and I couldn't sleep because I was keeping on thinking that why we are trapping a tiger, because she as we all know, she was a very good very big animal lover. So she thought why we should trap the tiger after all, and she went in and closed the cage, and she went back. So it shows she was a very big animal lover, and she wanted to save the tiger's life, and she was so noble like that. So that's the story all about. I hope you understood the chapter. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.